Tucked away in the pine-shaded neighborhood of Asodias, just outside the buzz of Albufeira, sits a four-star property that has been quietly winning over families and couples who want sunshine without the chaos. The Patio Suite Hotel, formerly known as Alfamar Villas and Suites, has been rebranded and refreshed in recent years, and it now markets itself as an apartment-style retreat rather than a traditional resort. That distinction matters because the rooms here are really the heart of the experience. Guests are not booking a cramped box with a bed and a kettle, they are booking a small home base with a kitchenette, a balcony, and enough room to actually unpack. The hotel offers three main categories of suites, each designed for a different sort of traveler. Whether someone is showing up solo as a couple or hauling along an entire extended family, there is a layout that fits. The smallest option is the studio suite, which sleeps two and combines the sleeping area and living space into one open layout. It comes with air conditioning, free Wi-Fi, a flat-screen television, and that all-important kitchenette stocked with a fridge, microwave, kettle, and the basic utensils needed to whip up a simple breakfast or reheat last night's leftovers. The bathroom features a shower, there is a hairdryer for getting ready, and a safe is available, though guests should note it may carry a small surcharge. Step up to the one-bedroom suite and the layout opens up, with a separate bedroom and a living room featuring a sofa bed, which means it can comfortably handle up to 4 guests. The two-bedroom suite goes even further, offering 2 separate bedrooms plus the living room sofa bed, making it a solid pick for groups of up to 6. Every suite has a balcony or terrace, which is exactly what people come to the Algarve for, that moment with a coffee outside while the morning light filters through the pines. What guests consistently mention in their reviews is the sheer practicality of these rooms. The kitchenette saves money on every meal you skip at the buffet, which adds up fast when traveling with kids who only want cereal at 7 in the morning. Beds are reported to be comfortable, and the modern updates from the renovation give the interiors a fresh, clean feel. Exact room sizes in square meters are not published, but the consensus across Booking and Expedia reviews is that the suites feel spacious rather than squeezed. There is no flashy smart room technology to brag about here, no voice-activated curtains or app-controlled lighting, and honestly that is fine. The setup is straightforward, functional, and built around the idea that you came to Portugal to relax, not to fiddle with a tablet on your nightstand. When it comes to dining, the property keeps things simple with 3 main outlets that cover the basic needs of most guests. The main restaurant is the workhorse of the operation, serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner in a buffet format. The cuisine leans international with a healthy nod to Portuguese and Mediterranean flavors, so guests can expect to find grilled fish, fresh salads, pasta stations, and local touches like bacalhau preparations or piri-piri chicken sitting alongside more familiar comfort foods. Half-board and all-inclusive guests will spend most of their meals here, and the experience is exactly what one expects from a resort buffet, namely plenty of choice, generally decent quality, and the occasional dish that hits well above expectations. That said, the dining is also where the hotel gets some of its mixed feedback, and it would be dishonest to skip over that. Several reviewers, including longer-stay guests, have noted that the food can feel repetitive after a week or so, and a few have complained about dishes being served lukewarm rather than piping hot. Variety is the most common request, and travelers used to higher-end resort dining might find themselves wanting more rotation in the menu. On the other hand, the pool bar offers a relaxed daytime option for snacks, light meals, and drinks without having to put on real clothes, which is genuinely a beach holiday luxury. The lobby bar takes over in the evenings, serving cocktails and drinks for guests who want to wind down after dinner. It is not a destination cocktail program, but it does the job nicely, especially when paired with the seasonal evening entertainment that the hotel rolls out during peak months. Pool culture is where the Patio Suite Hotel really shines, and this is consistently the highlight in guest reviews across every platform. The property features 2 outdoor swimming pools designed for adult use, plus a dedicated children's pool, all set among the spacious gardens dotted with mature pine trees. The grounds give the pool areas a genuinely peaceful, almost forest-like feel that you do not get at the more concrete-heavy resorts closer to the Strip. Sun loungers and parasols are plentiful, which is a small detail that becomes enormous when you are traveling in August and do not want to wake up at 6 in the morning to claim a spot. Reviewer Mark on Booking specifically called out the great pools and plenty of suns, and that sentiment echoes across nearly every other guest comment. For beach lovers, the hotel sits within easy reach of the famous Praia de Falésia, one of the most photographed stretches of coastline in all of Portugal. The distance is roughly 1.6 kilometers depending on the route, with the nearest beach access point closer to 800 meters as the seagull flies. To make life easier, the hotel runs a shuttle service to the beach and into Albufeira Center on a set schedule, though guests should note this can be seasonal and worth confirming before counting on it for every trip. Falésia is famous for its dramatic red and ochre cliffs, fine sand, and clear water, and it ranks among the best beaches in the country. Praia dos Olhos de Água is another lovely option about 3.5 kilometers away, with its distinctive freshwater springs bubbling up through the sand. Water activities are not run directly by the hotel, but the local beaches offer the usual suspects, from paddle boarding to boat trips along the coast. Beyond the pools, the hotel keeps guests busy with a reasonable spread of activities, though it is fair to say this is not a high-energy resort packed with organized sports programs. The gardens themselves invite easy strolls, and the layout encourages a slower pace. Bicycle rental is available through local partners, which is a fantastic way to explore the surrounding pine forest paths and reach the beach under your own steam. Golfers will be thrilled to know that the prestigious Pine Cliffs Golf Course sits just 1.5 kilometers away, and there are several other championship-level courses within a short drive, making this a viable base for a golf-focused holiday. The Algarve region is one of Europe's golf capitals, so even non-fanatics might be tempted to try a round or two. Cultural and educational options are mostly found off-site, but the location makes day trips simple. Guests can rent a car or grab a taxi to explore the historic center of Albufeira, the fishing village charm of Olhos de Água, or further afield to traditional whitewashed towns like Lulé and Silves. On property, the focus is more on relaxation than enrichment, and the seasonal evening entertainment provides a fun, low-pressure way to spend an evening without leaving the grounds. Themed dinners pop up during peak season, adding a bit of festivity to the dining routine. It is the kind of place where the activity menu is just full enough to keep things interesting, without the constant whistleblowing of an all-out animation team. Spa and wellness offerings at the Patio Suite Hotel are intentionally modest, and travelers expecting a full destination spa with treatment menus and detox programs may need to adjust their expectations or look outside the resort. The property does not heavily promote an in-house spa with saunas, steam rooms, or organized yoga classes. What it does offer, however, is the kind of natural wellness that comes built into the location itself. The pine-scented gardens, the gentle Algarve climate, and the slow rhythm of pool-to-balcony-to-restaurant living create a genuinely restorative environment. For many guests, that is precisely the kind of low-key wellness they came here for, the absence of stress rather than the addition of treatments. For those who want more structured pampering, the surrounding area has plenty to offer. The Pine Cliffs Resort Complex nearby includes high-end spa facilities, and several wellness centers operate within a short drive in Albufeira and Vilamoura. Massage therapists and beauty services can sometimes be arranged through the hotel reception or via local partners, so guests who book ahead can usually find a way to schedule a treatment. Fitness-minded travelers can take advantage of the walking paths, swim laps in the pools during quieter hours, or rent bikes for a proper workout. It is not a wellness resort in the formal sense, but the ingredients for a healthy, recharging trip are absolutely there for anyone willing to put together their own version. Families with kids will find the Patio Suite Hotel particularly welcoming, and this is one of the strongest selling points of the property. There is a dedicated kids club where younger guests can spend supervised time on games and activities, plus a children's playground for burning off energy in the fresh air. The children's pool gives the little ones their own splashing zone separate from the adult pools, which is a relief for parents who do not want to play lifeguard during every swim. A game room provides indoor entertainment for those rare cloudy afternoons or for older kids who want to escape the sun for a while. Expedia reviewer Maria specifically praised the hotel as a great family option, noting that her kids loved the pools and the entertainment. The apartment-style suites themselves also make family travel infinitely easier, since parents can prepare quick breakfasts, store snacks in the fridge, and warm up bottles or baby food in the microwave without trekking to a restaurant for every little thing. Evening entertainment during peak season often includes child-friendly performances, mini-discos, and themed nights that keep the younger crowd engaged. The overall vibe is unhurried and safe feeling, with the resort layout meaning kids can have a bit more freedom to roam without parents constantly worrying about busy streets. For multi-generational trips, the two-bedroom suites really come into their own, letting grandparents, parents, and kids share space without stepping on each other's toes. The location offers a wonderful balance of quiet seclusion and easy access to the bigger attractions of the Algarve. Falésia Beach at 16 kilometers and Algarve de Agua Beach at 35 kilometers are the headline natural draws. The Albufeira Old Town sits about 8 kilometers away, with its whitewashed buildings, narrow lanes, and seafront promenade, while the famous strip along Avenida Sá Carneiro in Orá is roughly 7 kilometers off and serves as the nightlife epicenter of the region. Shoppers can head to Algarve Shopping in Guia, about 15 kilometers away, or Mar Shopping Algarve near Lulé, around 18 kilometers off, both offering a full range of international brands. For excursions, families absolutely love Zoomarine Algarve, a marine-themed park about 16 kilometers away with dolphin shows, water slides, and animal encounters. Vilamoura Marina, 12 kilometers away, is worth a visit for an evening of waterfront dining and yacht watching, while Salgado's beach and its bird-rich lagoon offer a quieter nature experience around 19 kilometers from the hotel. Faro International Airport is about 30 kilometers off, making transfers refreshingly short by Mediterranean resort standards. The diversity of nearby experiences means guests rarely run out of things to do, even on a 2-week stay. Stepping back to look at the hotel as a whole, the Patio Suite Hotel earns a solid if not spectacular reputation across the major review platforms. Booking gives it a 7.0 from over 1,000 reviews. TripAdvisor lands at 4.0 out of 5 from nearly 2,000 guests, and Expedia comes in at 8.0 from around 350 reviews. The strengths are consistent across all sources, namely friendly and helpful staff, excellent pools, comfortable spacious apartments, and a peaceful pine-shaded setting. The staff in particular score very well on Booking at 8.1, which is a reliable indicator that the human touch here is genuine. The location works beautifully for travelers who prioritize calm over chaos. The weaker points are also fairly consistent. Food variety at the buffet draws the most criticism, with several long-stay guests noting that the menu becomes repetitive and some dishes arrive at less than ideal temperatures. The distance from Albufeira Old Town and the Strip means anyone wanting heavy nightlife will be relying on taxis or the seasonal shuttle. Wi-Fi scores slightly lower on Booking at 6.9, which suggests it works fine for basic browsing but might frustrate heavy streamers. None of these issues are deal-breakers, but they are worth knowing before booking, especially for guests with very specific expectations about dining or connectivity. What truly sets the Patio Suite Hotel apart is the combination of apartment-style accommodation and a peaceful natural setting at a 4-star price point. Guests get the freedom of self-catering when they want it, with the convenience of restaurants, bars, pools, and entertainment when they do not feel like cooking. The pine forest location creates a microclimate of calm that simply does not exist at the louder coastal resorts. The proximity to Falésia, one of the most stunning beaches in Europe, is genuinely a major draw, and the on-site shuttle bridges the small gap nicely. For families, the layout, kids' facilities, and quiet surroundings make it a particularly strong choice. While the hotel does not heavily promote itself as a conference destination, the spacious grounds, large suite layouts, and multiple dining outlets do make it workable for smaller group bookings, family reunions, or informal gatherings. Travelers planning such events should reach out directly to the property to discuss meeting space and group arrangements, since dedicated business facilities are not the main focus of the marketing. The most memorable guest experiences tend to revolve around the small human moments that the team consistently delivers. Reviewer Samantha B. on TripAdvisor described her stay as adorable with 0 complaints, calling out the super-friendly staff and fantastic pools. Mark on Booking highlighted the shuttle service as a big bonus that made exploring much easier. Many guests describe arriving stressed and leaving genuinely rested, which after all is the only review metric that really matters. With its balance of comfort, calm, and value, the Patio Suite Hotel earns its place as a dependable Algarve choice for travelers who know exactly what kind of holiday they want. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.